Now we'll see exercise 10.4. First question, give the geometric representation of y equal to 3 as an equation. In this, first one in one variable, second one in two variables. First one is in one variable we have to draw only one axis. This axis consider as y axis. This is y bar. Here we have 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Here we have y equal to 3. So y equal to 3. This is positive 3. So we have here. This point we have to show in the graph. Second question, in two variable. Two variable means first x value is 0, y value is 3. Always will tell x comma y. Y value is plus 3 they given. So y place we have to give plus 3. Then x value is 0. Here we have to draw x axis and y axis. This is x axis. This is x axis. This is y axis. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is positive 1 for y, positive 2 for y. This is 3 for y. Here minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So 0, 3. X value is 0 here. Y value positive 3 is there in this place. So we have to draw for two variables. Means it is parallel to x axis. This is called 0, 3. So we have to draw parallel to the x axis. In two variable we have to show this line. This point is 0, 3. It is a collection of all points of plane having their y coordinate as 3. Second question is, give the geometric representations of 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation. In this first one in one variable, second one in two variables. 2x plus 9 equal to 0. 2x equal to, this plus 9 will come to right hand side minus 9. Therefore, x equal to minus 9 divided by 2. This is minus 4.5 because 9 by 2 is 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 0.0, 5 2s are 10. So the value of 9 by 2 is 4.5. We have minus here, that's why we have to write minus 4.5. Now this one we have to show in first one in one variable. Here we have to draw first x axis, because in x axis only we have minus 4.5. So we should draw the x axis here. This is x bar, x, here 0. This is positive side 1, 2, 3, 4. Here negative side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, so on. Here we have to show x value is minus 4 by 4.5. So we have here minus value this side. This is minus 4, minus 5. In between this little dark we have, no, this is called minus 4.5 for x value. In second question, in two variables we have to show. Here we have x value is minus 4.5 and the point is minus 4.5 comma 0. Here x value is minus 4.5, y value is 0. For this we have to show in two variable. We have to draw now x axis. And y axis. This is positive y, negative y. Here x is positive x, negative x, 0. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This is positive y, 1, 2, 3. Here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So we have the points minus 4.5 comma 0. X value is this. So x value minus value we have here. This is called minus 4.5. That is minus 4, minus 5 between little dark line we have. In this dark line we have to show this. So this will be parallel to y axis. Because y value is 0, it will be parallel. In two variables, 2x plus 9 equal to 0 represent a straight line passing through the point minus 4.5 comma 0 and parallel to y axis. It is a collection of points of the plane having their x coordinates of minus 4.5.